Scalping is a trading strategy focused on making small profits from minor price changes in a stock or currency. It involves executing numerous trades throughout the day, often holding positions for just a few seconds to a few minutes. This method requires quick decision-making and a solid understanding of market dynamics. To begin scalping, traders need a reliable trading platform with low transaction fees. High-frequency trading can quickly erode profits if fees are too high. Additionally, a fast internet connection is crucial, as delays can lead to missed opportunities. Understanding market trends is essential for successful scalping. Traders should analyze charts and indicators to identify patterns that signal potential price movements. Common indicators include moving averages, Bollinger Bands, and the Relative Strength Index (RSI). These tools help traders determine entry and exit points, maximizing profit potential. Risk management is another critical aspect of scalping. Traders should set strict stop-loss orders to limit potential losses. This practice ensures that a single bad trade doesn't wipe out gains from multiple successful trades. A common rule is to risk no more than 1% of the trading capital on any single trade. Timing is everything in scalping. Traders often focus on high volatility periods, such as market openings or major news releases, when price movements are more pronounced. During these times, opportunities for quick profits arise, but they also come with increased risk. Discipline is vital for scalpers. Emotional trading can lead to impulsive decisions, resulting in losses. Successful scalpers stick to their strategies, maintaining a clear plan for each trade. Keeping a trading journal can help track performance and refine strategies over time. Scalping isn't for everyone. It requires intense focus and the ability to make quick decisions under pressure. Traders must be prepared for the fast-paced nature of this strategy, which can be stressful. However, for those who thrive in high-pressure environments, scalping can be a lucrative way to capitalize on market movements. In summary, scalping is a trading strategy that involves making quick trades to profit from small price changes. It requires a reliable trading platform, a solid understanding of market trends, and effective risk management. Timing discipline and emotional control are crucial for success. While it may not suit every trader, those who master the art of scalping can find significant opportunities in the fast-paced world of trading. With practice and dedication, quick profits can become a reality.